hello. This is going to be kind of an interesting video. Hi, I'm Dr. August Stunning. I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And today is going to be a video on peace of mind. If this is your first time to my channel and you have not dry fasted yet, let me share with you something that almost everyone that dry fasts has experienced. After it's over, you feel empowered. You feel a clarity of mind you haven't felt in years. You have what almost seems to be some kind of clairvoyance. It's so weird. And in a lot of respects, it's because you've killed a lot of parasites that have caused you to think other thoughts, and that helps, and kind of seeing that load go down. And you've significantly rewired your brain and improved it. Demethylated a lot of stuff, deacetylated a lot of stuff, opened up some codes that used to be there that weren't for a while, and you have this feeling of being like young again. Oh yeah. Oh, you're going to love my next book. Trust me. But what that means is this ability, this dry fasting technique, is able to restore a kind of confidence in yourself and a kind of remembering what it was like to be a kid that didn't give a crap about anything. You just wanted to go do things. And all that comes back. It's remarkable. And everybody that knows, and I know you know if you're out there listening, it's like being a new you. It's wonderful. But it gives you a different perspective, because let's just say for the sake of argument that I'm right, and all these protocols that I'm writing about and talking about lengthen lifespan, then what's happening right now is less important because of this longer time perspective you may be having. You know, it's kind of a no hurries, no worries, because you don't have to hurry. If you have plenty of time, then it breaks the adage. On a long enough timeline, everybody's survival rate drops to zero. Well, timeline is the issue. And you start not caring about a lot of stuff. You know, I used to be really involved with all the red team, blue team, blackfish, bluefish stuff out there happening in our government. And after I realized what it was and started cleaning up my thinking about things, it was like, wait a minute. Why am I even bothering with this stuff? I should be bothering about what I'm going to do with my driver's license when I'm 145 years old. How am I going to get that passed? Well, wait a minute. Didn't they just find that some of these Social Security payments are going out to 200-year-old people? Point is, when you start having the idea that you're going to outlive a lot of this stuff, because you really will. I mean, think of it that way. This is stuff just going on right now. You're going to outlive this. They don't have a chance if you have a longer time. So the best thing you can do right now is improve yourself, improve your thinking, improve your income, improve your ability to survive, and do all that stuff in preparation for when that thing up there decides to pop, and it could any time now because it's due for a Carrington event. Get yourself healthy, get yourself resilient, get yourself tough. I mean, that's part of being who you should be as a human being on this planet. You know, be fast and agile enough to run away fast, to escape something trying to catch you and eat you, like we used to. Anyway, so that's the whole message today. Is what dry fasting gives you is a sense of self. It lets you focus on you, because you're now being fixed. You're now able to analyze the environment outside of you. You're not focused on internal problems. You're focused on outside and surviving here. It's a good thing. Anyway, that's the message today. Dry fast to be stronger and more mentally able. And, oh, that's probably kind of a good way about there. I don't know. Maybe. Might have to go out later. Yeah, yesterday it was good. Anyway, look, thanks for tuning in. Please hit the like button. You know, hit the share button, because it pushes the algorithm to more people viewing these videos so they can be like you, or potentially like you if you actually try dry fasting. and learn how to do this. Share this around. You know, code shared is code squared. So be good, be safe. I love you guys, and I will talk to you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.